In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a note on Evernote. We'll walk through this process step by step, so if you're new to Evernote or just cleaning up your workspace, you'll be able to confidently remove any notes you no longer need. I'll also mention a few tips along the way to help you avoid deleting something important by accident. First, go to Evernote. You can do this by opening your web browser and navigating to the Evernote website, then signing into your account. Once you're logged in, you should see your Evernote home screen with your notebooks and notes listed on the left side, and the main viewing area in the center. Make sure you're in the correct account, especially if you use Evernote for both personal and work notes. Next, you'll want to select the note you want to delete. Look through your list of notes on the left panel. You can scroll or use the search bar at the top if you remember the title or some keywords in the note. When you see the note you want to remove, click on it once. This will open the note in the main area so you can double check its contents before deleting it. Take a quick moment to scan the note and make sure it doesn't contain anything you might need later. Now, with the note open, look toward the right-hand side of the notes toolbar. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu with several actions you can perform on that note, such as duplicating, moving, or sharing it. From this drop-down menu, find and click on the option labeled Move to Trash. Once you click it, Evernote will remove the note from your active notes list and place it in the trash section of your account. This is an important detail. At this stage, the note is not permanently deleted yet. It's simply moved to trash, which acts like a safety net in case you change your mind later. If you accidentally move the wrong note to trash,